How to fix WhatsApp latest version on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp latest version on Android phone. First, you can just go to Play Store and then type here WhatsApp, and here we'll find the update and just update your WhatsApp. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to fix Google Play. Just go to apps and then apps, and now just type here Play Store, click on it and then click full stop, this one here, and then go to storage and now click clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back to Play Store and type WhatsApp and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.